Alright, YouTube. So I've got this Chelsea PTO set up in my 1991 Isuzu FTR dump truck, and the light was all corroded and messed up. The sockets messed up from the corrosion and stuff, but I already tested the circuit. I hooked up this little marker light to the circuit and I turned on the PTO. It comes on, it works. So I would like to have this safety feature back in this truck, just so that I know the PTO is on if you know, before I start driving or whatever, and so that I can shut it off. So I went into the garage. Well, first I went on Amazon and I was looking at, you know, little replacement lights and stuff. And I'm going to be honest, I've got other things to order right now, other things on the plate, and so that $8 or $9 that would cost me to get like 10 of those, I just really don't got it. So I went into the garage, and I do have this brake light here. I ordered it for a project a long time ago. I ain't been doing nothing with it. It's just sitting on the shelf. I have no plans for it. So I figured, you know what if I threw that up there like that and hooked it up, you know? It doesn't interfere with my leg space. I already got it in the seat and checked that. It's a little bigger. It's something different. So why not, right? So I'm going to go ahead and use the grinder and cut it where that mark is, so that it sits flush. Oops. So that it sits flush and misses this joint right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and get some screws put in it and wire it up to that wire there. So that'll give me a working warning light for my PTO again, for basically stuff that's just sitting in my garage. Alright, YouTube. So after I got this cut, I just used some self-tapping sheet metal screws, put a couple in there. I think that's plenty. It feels plenty solid to me. Now I'm going to get it wired up. Alright, YouTube. So there it is. That's going to be my PTO warning light. That's how I wired it in. This is the hot coming over from the fuse panel. I threw a fuse in it with the two clips. I'm going to tape that all up. I'm not going to leave it like that. I just used a little 10 amp. Figure that's plenty for that light. And then I crimped and heat shrink to the negative side. And I'll throw, like I said, I'll throw a little tape on this and I'll zip tie it up and we'll call that good. And then when I shut off PTO here, the light goes out. It's pretty cool. So that'll help me not end up driving with it on or something. So just one little safety feature fixed in this old truck that's been sitting for so long. So until next time, believe in yourselves. Know you guys can do a project like this too. You know, just believe in your hands. Know God gave them to you for a purpose. Don't think that nobody else's are more capable than yours. They just have different knowledge. So educate yourself, believe in yourself, know that you can use these and you can accomplish amazing things in your lives. So till next time, keep building shit. Here it is, YouTube. Got that fuse taped up. Got the wires zip tied. And now when you pull out, it's gotta come out a little ways, but when you get the PTO all the way out and on, it comes on. Shut off the PTO, goes off. Till next time, believe in yourselves, keep building shit.